Hello guys, welcome back to Silver Celebrity TV. Today we're going to be doing ayamase sauce, but this time we're going to be doing it with green bell peppers. We're going to be needing eggs, any type of meat you want, pepper, onions, green bell peppers, and rice. The first step is to add all of your meat inside a pot or a deep pan, then add your pepper, onions, and salt, mangi, but the seasoning cube one, and stir it all together. Now you can cover it up and let it bring out its own juices. Once it has brought out a little bit of juice, you can go ahead and add water so that it can cook properly. After it's finished cooking, add it inside your air fryer. Once it's done, bring it out and it should be this color. Now add your eggs that you're going to be using. Now it's time for you to blend your green bell peppers and to drain away all excess of water. As you can see, it's a lot. The part that you didn't throw away, add it inside a hot pot. And now add palm oil inside a pan and add your onions. Now add a little bit of pepper for a little spice. And your crayfish. That is a very important ingredient in this dish. After everything has finished mixing together, you can add your bell pepper paste. And mix it all together. Once it has finished mixing and cooking a little bit, add all the type of seasoning. So in this case, we need only salt and a seasoning cube. Once it's finished cooking together, add your crayfish. Like I said, it's very important for this dish. Keep on mixing until it looks like this. When it looks like this, it's already ready. So now you can start adding your fried or roasted chicken or any type of meat you use. Add your eggs, add your fish, anything you want inside this dish can go inside. Don't forget to mix it together so that the meat, the egg, and the fish can all get the flavor of the ayamase sauce. When you notice that the sauce is getting burnt down, you can lower the heat a little bit. It's not that bad because it's already basically done. So to this sauce you can add rice or anything you like. There's a special rice that people actually use, but you can also use your basic rice. After washing it, add a little bit of salt and let it cook properly. And we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And to also follow us on our Facebook and Instagram page called Silver Celebrity TV as well. Share it to more people. for us to keep on giving you more content like these. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. See you next time in the next video. Enjoy your food.